Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Nursery channel, Nursery TV channel. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. This channel is all about we boosting our immune system, living a healthy lifestyle, and reducing our frequency to the hospital, to our doctor, using natural means, natural recipe. And every Sunday we come out with new recipe for us to take for the whole week. New recipe which could be your leaf, your vegetables, your fruit, even your food, your herbs. It can be tubers, it can be spices. Like in this channel we did a spice like your turmeric, your and other spices in this channel, your black pepper and all that. So that's all we take in this channel, all natural, with little or no side effects, and we take it every week on an empty stomach before you even brush your teeth in the morning. So that's what this channel is all about, just about boosting our immune system, preventing all the preventables. As we all know, prevention is better than cure. And I always say in this channel, join us, subscribe if you have not subscribed, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Join us, let us grow old together. Take it as natural herbs, natural remedy to boost our immunity, to live a healthy lifestyle. In these natural things that we do, some are anti-inflammatory. So if you have any inflammation cooking up in your system, so you're prepared already to combat them already. And some are antibacterial, some are even antifungal and all that. Some are alkalizing agents, like what we're doing this week is alkalizing agent. The vegetable we're going to be taking. And we all know that acidic body, acidic system is a breeding ground for diseases and sicknesses. So even whatever we eat, we should always aim and alkalizing our body, our system, to live a healthy lifestyle. So all these are what you can get from your supermarket. They are readily available all year round and they are not expensive. They don't cost fortune. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you join us. Not just joining us and watching the video. Practice these things. They are for your good. Prevention is better than cure. Be the boss of your health. Be the boss of your health. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, using natural means before you resort to the doctor. You know you have played your part. Like this last week, we did the recipe that we used last week was a beetroot, which I took, which was very good. It's good if that beetroot, if you have not watched the video, you can go and check it out. It was very good. And beetroot, we know, is very good for this constipation relief properties. Can relieve constipation. Even you can, if you have problem with a bowel movement, if you take your beetroot, you'll be amazed. If you used to go to the toilet before and stay 10 minutes, 30 minutes, but when you take your beetroot, 2 minutes you are out of there, even 1 minute. So that's what beetroot is all about. 2 weeks ago, we also did a pomegranate. So every week we come out with new recipe. So this week, because of these two fruit or juice we're going to be taking this week, I call it I might even call it food, because beetroot, if you just blend it and drink it with the fibers, because it's high in fiber, you'll be full. You don't even want to take your breakfast. So it can help you in weight loss. I took it last week and have seen myself, even I personally did not do my exercise last week to see, and I really saw that I'm reducing my belly and I'm reducing my weight and also. So that's why this week I'm combining these two recipes again, which is beetroot again, but I'm adding the celery. Celery is very good for anti-inflammation. It's an anti-inflammation and beetroot too. And these two also, because of their fiber content, they help in improving and increasing bowel movement. So, and they are rich in vitamins, both rich in vitamin C. They have this, beetroot have vitamin A, manganese, zinc, even iron. So it's good. Last week the topic was to purify our blood and heart and other. So beetroot is very good. It's rich in iron. It's good to alkaline our body. So it's very good. And the reason, another reason why I'm combining these two is that beetroot has a sugar taste. It's sugary. So if you don't really fancy that sugary taste, celery has salty taste. So when you mix it, you have a balanced taste. Yes, it's very, very nice. I've tried it before, so I know how it is. So it's very good. And the sodium content of your celery makes it possible. If you take it first in the morning, the whole week, the whole day, if you take celery the first thing in the morning, the whole day, all the food you eat, the sodium will help you to help your body to absorb those nutrients, those minerals, those vitamins. So our celery is going to be helping on this week to absorb more of the nutrients and vitamins in beetroot and also in celery. Celery has vitamin C, it has vitamin K, potassium, and they are good for heart, they are good for cardiovascular system, and beetroot is very good to reduce cholesterol. So both of them, adding them together, it's going to be the bomb this week. So if you have not joined us, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give me a like, a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have done it or you are going to be doing it, and ask any question and contribute to your idea. So join us now as I prepare it. Shall show us how we're going to prepare it and take it this week. Thank you for being here. Stay tuned. See you later. So welcome back. I'm going to be needing a blender because I'm going to be blending them together. Your beetroot, I've washed it already, so you make sure you wash it properly with your brush or whatever. Though we're going to be peeling it, and some people will even boil the beetroot. Your celery, make sure you wash it properly. Put your hand in between because it can come with sand sometimes or any other dirt. So that's it. This recipe for this week is really very good because they are packed with loads and loads of vitamins and nutrients. This, you open it up, they are packed with vitamins, minerals and nutrients. You have vitamin A, K, vitamin C, potassium, which is very good for heart health. So for heart health, any heart related diseases like your hypertension, your high blood pressure, your stroke, your other heart related diseases. So they are very good. Even beetroot, they said it has also an agent. A researcher have said it that it's even good for cancer. So let's not take all these natural things for granted. It's for our health. Let's take care of our body. Let's take conscious effort to take care of our body. Take conscious effort of your finance. Conscious effort. You're going to cut it in bits like this. I don't like to just cut it straight. You have to chop it a bit because of the fiber, so that the strand will not stay in your blender. So you just chop it, cut it in bits, as little as you can to blend it. So that's it. They said the beetroot is good for cancer. This week's recipe to have potassium. I said they have manganese. It has zinc. So I'm going to be combining them together. Really, what I love about this week's recipe is combining these two recipes together. Is the fact that one is sweet, one has sugary taste, the other one has salty taste. Yes, that's what I really like about them, about this week's recipe. And another thing, the celery content. Let's peel our beetroot. Beetroot, peeling it, you have to be very careful because it can stain your clothes. Make sure you are not putting on white clothes, because put on white clothes, you can stain it. And when you finish anything that you use for your beetroot, make sure you wash them immediately. You can see it's very red. So that's it. I've washed it. I'm peeling it. Beetroot is really very good for our body. It's good for us to keep us healthy. It's good to boost our immune system, and that is what this channel is all about. You don't just wait to get healed, to get sick before you run to the doctor or to accident and emergency unit. You also try and do little things concerning your health. As you do little things concerning your finance, as you do little things to look beautiful, also do these little things so stay healthy. And we know health comes from God, but you have to also play your little part, my darling. So that's all about beetroot. It's not difficult. You can use this. It's not knife. It's used to peel a potato and carrot. So you can use it to peel it. It's very easy to peel. That is it. And I'm going to be using half of this. And it's also good to, when you're buying your beetroot, you get the medium size beetroot. Medium size, so to be more nutritious. You see, I'm doing it now. My hands are bloody red. So cut it down like little pieces and blend it with my celery. So this week's recipe, it has zinc. I give it to, see, they are natural. I give it also, sometimes I give it to my kids too. They are natural, so little or no side effect. So it's better than your medication. Like I always say, your prescribed medication is good. Your multivitamin is good. But try and boost your immune system. You boosting your immune system is even more to make your medication or your multivitamins to work effectively. So that is it. You can also always add any water that you drink. So that's going to be my recipe for the week. I'm going to be blending it so that it will go down before I add this other one. So stay tuned as I go blend. Hello, welcome back. These are blended beetroot. So I don't like sieving it because I like the fiber content. I blended beetroots and celery, which I'll be taking first thing in the morning this week, all through this week, me and my family. When I wake up, I just take little. I blend it so thick so I can just add my warm water to it to make it warm, and I just take it for every morning before breakfast, before I even brush my teeth. So make sure you join us and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Support this channel and contribute anything. Just comment down below, contribute it to other people, and tell us if you tried it, how the experience was. So share to your friends and family, especially those that you love. See you at the top. Bye. So nice.